Right, so I'm gonna teach you how to test for boost leaks. If you're a fast car man, most likely it's a youth man, and your first car will be shakedown Laurel or shakedown 831 turbo leaking one set of boost. Rubbish thing now. But can't get away from that, that's the life. Anyway, let's go buy Allied. And you're gonna buy one of these. One of these. This connector here. Right, PVC connector, 2" by 1/2". Small money. Buying a nipple, a 1/2" nipple. A 5/8 hose. Good here. Good brand thing here, boy. Instagrip. Anyway, and you're buying some connectors, hose connectors, right and Allied, to fit this here. Assemble it just as is so. Just push it in real hard and screw it, just like everything in life, and it'll go in. That's all. And put a hose connector for good measure. Right, let me show you how you put it in the car now. Right, you want to remove this pipe from the front of the turbo and replace it with this. And it's as simple as that. Run air through the system and you'll find your leak. Oh, and yeah, to do this, you're gonna need to use one of these. Compressor. Yes. If you don't have a compressor, well, I have one here. Or you could, don't ask me because that is not mine. I borrowed one, so sort it all yourself. Right, so this is how it should look. Plumbed onto the stock turbo connector. Just 2 fittings on a hose. And mount back up your pipes. If you're an RB man, well, you're fed up, take off these pipes 100, 200 times for the day, so there shouldn't be any problem. And tighten up and run air through the system, and you should see a leak, if any. Right, so I just got done connecting the cap onto the front of the turbo. This is the line here, connected to the compressor. And now we are ready to test for boost leaks. Boost. Alright, let's try this. See this magic. Hear the noise. Oh, mother. Found it. The intercooler. Whoa, it's a big hole. And that's how you check for boost leaks.